To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications. YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on.
Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn prepositions of and for. Of can be obtained by na, la, ya, the and ra. Okay, by using this we can get the of, meaning of. Now example of na. Wife of Rama. Okay, wife of Rama. Rama is a name, Rama. Wife is Hendati. Hendati means wife in Kannada. Okay, Hendati means wife in Kannada. To get the meaning of, we add na to Rama. Rama na Hendati. Okay, Ramana Hendati. Tail of monkey. Monkey is manga in Kannada. Tail is bala in Kannada. Okay. To get off, we add na at the end. Manga na bala. Okay, bala, mangana bala, which means tail of monkey. Size of the moon. Okay, size of moon. Chandrana gatra. Chandra means moon. Chandra na means of moon. Gatra is size. Size is gatra. Chandrana gatra, size of moon. Okay. La. Son of Sahana. Sahana is name. Maga is son. Maga means son in Kannada. Sahana la maga means son of Sahana. Okay. Ya. End of the road or end of road. Dariya kone. Dari means road. Ya preposition. Dariya of road. Kone is end. Okay, end. Dariya kone. Son of Rashmi. Rashmi is a name. Maga means son. Rashmi ya maga. Color of wall or color of the wall. Wall is gode. Color is banna. Godeya means of wall. Banna color. Godeya banna means color of the wall. Taste of tongue. Nalige means tongue. Taste means ruchi. Taste is ruchi. Naligeya means of tongue. Naligeya ruchi. is taste of tongue. Okay. The okay, the heap of lotus, heap of lotus. Kamalada rashi, kamala lotus, lotus. Rashi heap, kamala lotus, rashi heap. Kamalada, kamalada means of lotus. Kamalada rashi means heap of lotus. Color of nerve, color of nerve. Narada banna. Nara means nerve, nara means nerve. Banna, banna is color. Narada, narada banna, color of nerve. Narada of nerve, narada banna, color of nerve. R, house of shepherds, house of shepherds. Kurubara mane, kurubara mane. Kuruba, kuruba shepherd, shepherd, kuruba shepherd. Mane house, mane house. Kurubara, kurubara of shepherds, plural of shepherds. Mane house. Car of Suresh, car of Suresh. Sureshara karu. Suresh is name. Sureshara, Sureshara, Sureshara of Suresh. Karu, car. Here Sureshara is by giving respect. Okay, you are giving respect to someone and you are saying Sureshara. Okay, Sureshara. Next is for. We obtain for by using gagi, kagi and goskara. Okay, let us see the example. Gagi, gagi. For Raju, for Raju. Raju gagi, Raju gagi. Raju plus gagi at the end, Raju gagi, which is for Raju. For female friend or for girlfriend, for female friend or for girlfriend. Female friend is gelati, gelati, gelati. For is gagi, gagi. So gelati gagi, gelati gagi for female friend or for girlfriend. For stomach, for stomach. Hotte gagi, hotte gagi. Hotte is stomach, hotte is stomach. For gagi, hotte gagi for stomach. For Rama, for Rama. Rama nigagi. Okay, Rama is a name. Here we have a variation of gagi and it is nigagi. Okay, nigagi. Rama nigagi for Rama. Next is kagi, kagi, kagi. Okay, for money, for money. Hanakagi, hanakagi. Hana money, hana money. Kagi for. Okay, for money. Hanakagi. For power, for power. Adhikarakagi, adhikarakagi. Adhikara is power. Adhikara is power. For is kagi. Adhikarakagi for power. For food. For food. Aharakagi. Aharakagi. Ahara is food. Ahara is food. For is kagi. Next, goskara. Okay, goskara. We have variation of goskara, which is koskara. Okay, koskara. For him is avani goskara. Avani goskara. Him is avanu. Okay, by now you know that him is avanu. Avanu plus goskara becomes avani goskara. You becomes I. Avanu becomes avani. Avani goskara for him. For friendship. For friendship. Sneha koskara. Sneha koskara. Sneha is friendship. Sneha is friendship. Koskara is for. For friendship is Sneha koskara. Okay.
Click subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when we post a video. If you would like to see more videos from our channel, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.